Wanapiga Dennis.
Wanapiga Dennis.
Dennis ameingia. Ni Dennis wanapiga.
Ni Dennis.
Kumedaje jirani Dennis? Kumedaje?
They have really hit me. Any policemen, 18 of them. Me, I'm just going in to get back my car. 18 policemen. Rain blows. They start kicking. What kind of people are this? I'm even shocked it's police. They would never even have arrested me and put me in the cell. And my only mistake is to go to a public police station to pick my car. Surely. It's okay.
No, this should not happen in our country.
Wamenichapa yani.
Sisi ni wana hivyo.
Wanatukujia sasa. Sasa wanatukujia.
Honey, these are criminals. They're not even policemen.